Hello, thanks so much for joining us. I'm Jackie Lacey, a retail florist and a nationally certified floral designer. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about asking for help from your local retail florist. We call it a consultation, but one of the reasons that I want to suggest you might reach out and work with your local retail florist because they have a plethora of information that they can provide for you. If you're looking for something, say for a July birthday, you might not know that larkspur is one of the flowers for a July birthday. Or if you're looking for something to send maybe to a home for a dinner table or for a coffee table, they might be able to suggest something that's a little bit lower and compact like this style. The main thing is to reach out for help and ask for a consultation for your parties, for your events, or even just for a daily retail order that you might be sending to a friend that doesn't feel well. What's appropriate? What's going to last longer? What things do I not want to send to the hospital? What would be a good situation or a good floral design to send to someone that maybe has lost a loved one that's going to the home instead of to the funeral home or to the service? These are the types of consultations that your local retail florist is happy to provide for you. Now, in doing so, might I suggest that you work with them also on providing the flowers for that situation. When you call up and ask for information on what's appropriate to send, but then maybe don't give a purchase to that person, they're going to think about that the next time you call. We're here as a resource, and a lot of times the flowers that you get from a local retail florist are going to be fresher because they come direct from the farm. They've also been treated with care and handling to have a longer shelf life than some that you might find in a big box or some of the smaller places that sell flowers just as a convenience. Although your local retail florist might require that you get in the car and go there, you can also find a lot of information and reach out to them online. So it's still convenient, can be done from the comfort of your home, but they're always there to help you. So reach out to your local retail florist on consulting for any of the needs that you might have when it comes to floral. Hopefully this will help you make that next purchase a much easier one. Thanks so much for joining us. If you liked the video that you just saw and would like to see more, click the subscribe button.